my loves, how are you? So I'm doing your favorite reading here today, your SP. What are your SP's thoughts and feelings towards you right now, today, right now? What are their intentions towards you? So put your specific person, your SP, in your mind's eye and take some deep breaths. I'm going to choose this deck and I'm going to do this reading in real time. So the first question I think we need to understand is your SP's thoughts and feelings towards you. Now I have already shuffled this deck, so I'm going to go ahead and start pulling some cards. So think about your person, so their thoughts and feelings towards you. I've also linked a video here which is how to bring your SP in. So there's a little bit of magic in there, so have a read of that. Right, so we've got strong air energy here. So the Page of Swords. This is saying that a break is coming, clarifying conversations. Someone is watching you from afar. So this is somebody who you are in close proximity with. Either you work with them, you're in the gym with them, maybe someone who lives near you. But it's somebody who has the opportunity to look at you, to watch you, to view you, and doesn't have to be like directly around you. This is a very phallic symbol. This person has an immense sense of attraction towards you. Okay, this is somebody who's also going to initiate a conversation with you very soon, and as I say that, the Knight of Wands. This person, I feel he's not going to leave you. It is coming through as a more masculine energy. This person is not going to leave you hanging on for much longer with this Knight of Wands energy here. This is somebody who is maybe darker hair but slightly lighter eyes. Somebody who's very fit, very athletic, very handsome, very magnetic. This is fire energy here as well. It's somebody who has already decided that they want you. So your person is already looking at you, watching you, and they've already decided that they want to make their move. Okay, they're not in two minds. They're not decided. They have already said, this is who I want. Now, the Queen of Cups here and the Seven of Wands. I feel like they see you as the Queen of Cups. So this is strong water energy here. So you're so you're Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is actually somebody who feels that if they come, for some reason, if they come up to you and come on to you or make a move to you, you may be like boof, like say no. You may disregard them and kind of be like a no, because it's almost like they feel they shouldn't be coming up to you, and they want to make sure you really like them before they make a move. They want to make sure you really like them before they make a move on you. The Queen of Wands, because you're the Queen of Wands. This is fire. So this is Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. But the Queen of Wands is honestly, so they see you as not only absolutely beautiful, empathic. They see you as ethereal, a little bit mysterious. But they also see you as goddamn sexy. Like fire, fire, fire. But we already got that anyway, didn't we? Because this is them like trembling over you. This person has a lot of passion. There's a lot of passion and desire in this reading. You are very, very attractive to this person. This person fancies the pants off of you. I want to know your person's intentions. So we know that your person's ready to make a move. We know that your person desires you. We know that they find you very attractive. They've been watching you. This is somebody in quite close proximity to you. So I want to know now, what are their intentions with you? What are their intentions with you? What are their intentions? If you're not following, make sure to follow, guys. We're going live Monday, remember, 10 a.m. TikTok live, free and gifted tarot readings. Their intentions. Wow. Their intentions, and not only to take action towards you, but to grab you, to have you. This is somebody who wants a union with you. This is somebody who wants a future with you. This is somebody who sees that you are their next development of their life. Oh my good Lord, have a mercy. The Ten of Pentacles. Look, twin flames there. Can you see the twin flames? So this is somebody who is wanting to marry you, wanting to settle down with you. Like, they are not coming forward to mess about. This person is not messing about, okay? And as you can see here, we've got this devil energy, but it didn't quite come out. And if you've noticed, I've been taking the cards that come out. It didn't quite come out. But it also is flipped over in the deck. I feel that this is somebody who has a past. I feel that this is somebody who is a little bit worried about their past catching up with them, and they're not in that energy now, but they're worried that because you come across as so amazing to them, they're worried if you find out certain things they've done in their past, you will judge them or you wouldn't be with them. And that's what's keeping them. Remember when they felt a little bit like that you're going to reject them? That's what's keeping them in that energy. So this is them feeling worried about that. You're dealing with somebody who has a past, right? But so what? So this could be maybe something to do with drugs, maybe alcohol. This could be something to do with maybe just them as a person. Maybe they're a real bad boy, okay? And they're worried that you're going to find that out a little bit. I don't think it's necessarily them keeping it secretive from you, but like I say, because they want this with you, because they look at you and they want to build a life with you. This person may also want to go into business with you. I feel like they have their own business here as well. Because of this, obviously they're going to be thinking, if anything, because it's a really serious big step for them, they're going to be thinking that if there's anything bad that they've done and you find out, like, is that going to push you off? Do you already know? So you're going to reject them? You know, all these little things are going through their mind. So do we have... yeah, the Wheel. They want to bring in this new chapter with you. The Chariot, Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel. That is their intentions. They want to have this new cycle. Remember I said this is what they want. They want to start this next kind of level with you. This is what this Wheel is saying here as well. So the Chariot and the Wheel are very much saying these are new chapters. This is progression. They see a future with you, and they see it being an amazing future that you will make their life better. And they really respect that, value that. This is something they want. They don't just want to hook up. They don't just want to mess around. This is somebody looking for real commitment. Absolute commitment, loyalty, steadfast, solid, secure, stable commitment. Oh, I can't catch my breath. Right. So let's find times and dates. Any correspondences for times and dates? This is going into, we're looking at spring, summertime. See the little wabbits? Little wabbits, spring, summer. Times. Nine of Cups going into spring. The World here again, just confirmation, correspondence that this is the end of the cycle, new change. Also the World represents, shifts in the like autumn, summer, winter, spring. So because we're in winter now, this is going into that. So again, this is just confirming that this is springtime. And also I feel that the full moon will be there when they approach you. It's not that that's anything to do with it, but that is just an astrological timing of when. And the number 9 is prevalent as well. So this could be the 9th or 9 a.m., 9 p.m. Those are the times. And the King of Wands at the bottom of the deck. You actually earlier had the King of Cups at the bottom of the deck as well, and you've got the Queen of Wands and Queen of Cups. So twice you've had divine counterparts. So this person is your divine counterpart. You're meant to be together. The universe gives you its blessing. If you like this video, like and share. I love you. Love ya.